taken it over. Let me take it over. So now you are able to see my screen, right? So yesterday we started with PWD, okay? That is present working directory. So I will type up arrow PWD hyphen capital P, okay? Physical path, okay? This is same path, okay? If it is any symbolically, it will show. Okay? So if you want to add something, the output you can put, okay, to file name, okay, current path dot txt, okay. This will create into a current path dot txt file, ls minus a and id tag. So now it has created one file here. You see here. So whenever you put this greater symbol, it will send the output to this file. I want to see that output. I will type cat current path. Okay. It will show me the content of that file. Okay. Let's say if I want to type that command, okay, I am at dollar, this is variable, okay, PWD, okay. So this variable, it is taking you to that command and it is printing. This is how your print working directory will work, okay. Now you have ls. Simple ls means it will show files, it will not show any hidden files. You see the difference between the upper one and lower one. I will show ls hyphen a. Okay. So now it is showing all the hidden files also. Bash history, bash logout, bash profile, bash rc, all it is showing me. Okay. That is the difference between hyphen l and A. A will show you all hidden files. L will show you the extra details, size, owner, all those things it will show. Okay. I will show, I will ask ls hyphen lh. Okay. Human readable form. It's all in KBs now. Now who is the owner? What is the properties? We will see this, what is this? Variable properties. Okay. Now you want to sort it by time. Okay. ls hyphen t. Based on the timing you show me the details. I will type ls at, ls alt. Now you see, based on the timings, it is sorting me, okay. April 6, then March 29, 20, Feb 13, Feb 4, Feb 7, all that it is sorting out by time here because of the T command here. A to show all, L to list all, T based on the timing. Okay. Now I am changing the directory, okay. cd slash var slash log. Now I will type what is PWD. So I am in slash var slash log. So let me expand this screen little bit. I will change the settings, appearance, change font size. I will go ahead with 14. Okay. Now I will clear the screen. Clear. If I type command clear, it will clear the screen. Okay. Now I will type PWD. This is where I am. Slash var slash log. You want to move level up 1. Okay. What you will do? You will put level cd triple dot. Okay, let's say double dot. Now you have in var, okay, pwd. So now you have moved one directory here. This one. cd double dot, cd space double dot. Then you are back. You are in home directory slash, it is slash root. Okay. Now you want to go inside your home directory. This is where all your files will be. Okay. I will put pwd home slash build. cd minus. You again went back pwd. This is how you will be navigating your change directory. mkdir. Okay, I will create photos. mkdir photos. Permission denied. I don't have permission here in slash. So I will go to home dash build. Okay. Now I will create mkdir photos. So it will create. There I don't have permission to create. Okay. So you will be wondering why you are teaching Linux for ethical hacking and all. Okay. So Linux will be the core OS for all your hacking tools because this is open source. If you don't know Linux, you will be not able to run the commands or parameters. So most of the powerful tools will be built in Linux only. That is why you need to learn Linux. Okay. Now I will create one more directory called mkdir p, okay, project, then shares, then src, then assets.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
So is it clear now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. ls-al. Okay. Now you have project directory created. Okay. I will type clear ls, all starting with p, lsp. You see project, it is created, and p photos, cd project. Okay, cd I will type ls, src is created, then cd assets. This is how it has created pwd, present working directory. So I want to move out. I will put triple dot. Okay, triple dot. It's not okay. Came back. Okay. Now you can create like multiple directories, mkdir, reports, then backup, then restore. All directories will be created at once. ls, you see all they have created in projects. I will go back. In project I have created all these directories. Okay. So RM also you can go with the RM. Okay. So I have directory here, RM dir backup. Okay. I am deleting backup folder. So I deleted. So there is no backup. RM dir restore. Deleted. So if you want to delete, you can delete that. Okay. ls RM dir reports then src, directory not empty. Okay, so you need to empty that directory. Go inside the directory cdrc ls. You have one more directory, rmdir assets. Then I am coming back. Okay, space, okay, ls. Now I am removing the directory dir src. Okay, so all those are you will have multiple commands also. You don't want to do all that headache, then you just tell rm minus p folder subfolder everything. Okay, so now you have touch command also. Yesterday we have seen touch command, right? Okay. It created empty file, it created ls. You see, ls hyphen an. Nothing is there here. 0 bytes.
After the class, please to create these commands.
Huh? Excuse
After
me?
taking session, please do share these commands with the as well.
No, I have shared it in the group. In this group, page number 23. Document, page number 23. You can see that. I am running through that document only. Okay. So now touch. Okay. It will create multiple files at a time. Okay. ls hyphen al. See, all 3 files created at a time. Okay. Now, okay, let's say you want to touch the file. Okay, if I touch it, it will change the access time. Okay, notes.txt. Okay, I will touch notes.txt. Okay, so now this 4 you are seeing, it will be changed to 4 6. Okay, because I have touched the file. Okay, now you see 4 5. So I am just changing the timestamp there. So if you want to change the timestamp also, you can specify the timestamp also. So you want to specify particular timing here. Okay, let's say I want to specify it. Okay, then notes.txt. Now I have changed it to older version. Like I have changed it to a different year altogether. You see, January 1st, 2025. I have modified it to that date. This is very old file. I didn't touch it. So these are all your touch commands you can do. Now you have copy. This is all we have done it. Copy in the class. Move, remove, ln. So I will skip this. Cat also I have put 4 commands for cat. Okay. Head also you have all this. Okay. And then VI editor. This all I am skipping. Okay. So now you have ownership here. Okay. let's say you have here files, okay, read write, okay, I have read write, then only read, then read. So these are the group permissions and user permissions, okay. I will change this to, okay, chmod plus executable file1, okay, enter. Now I will see what is the permissions. You see it is executable now, it turned into green. You see the file turned into green. Now this is executable file, okay, because you see it here, group permission and user permission, executable and read, okay. Now I am changing the chmod, okay, owner of that file, only I am going to access this file 2. You see it here, only I have read and write. Owner has the read and write, all the others don't have any access here. So this is group and this is everyone. Everyone will not have access, means whoever logs into this computer, they will not be able to read this file. Only I have the read and access, okay. If you set a particular folder to these commands, okay, 7 will be executable read and write, okay. 6 will be read and write. 6 if you put, it will be read write. 0 means no. If you put 777, it will be like publicly accessible. I will put chmod file name 777 to, it will be universally accessible and executable to everyone. You see, this is for everyone, this is for owner, and this is for group, okay. So like this you will be setting all the permissions, okay. Chown is also like change ownership, okay. So if you want to change the particular file, so you can specify the name or you can change the ownership. See here I have Uber, you can change that to some other user, okay. So that is group. Once we create group, you can see that. Unmask, I will skip it, okay. Now you have one more command, sudo opt update, okay. So once I run this, it will ask me, okay, whether I want to upgrade everything, okay. Sudo opt update. It is not at all taking, okay. We will see. Chandu, you just run that. You run that command sudo opt update.
This is not connecting. This is network issue.
Okay. Eldos, you are running right on Linux part.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say I want to create user add lock. Okay. Sudo.
Yeah, it's working, sir. Sudo apt update.
Huh?
Sudo apt update working.
Yeah. 27, we are in 27. Okay. At 29 you can add. Okay. Okay, now I have created user. Okay, I have set password also. Okay, so sudo will be your privileged account. Okay, you can call it as super user do. That is what sudo will do. Super user do. Okay, so whenever you want to elevate the privilege, then you will use sudo. Okay. So if you want to change your password, you will just type password, okay, and then your username. If you type this one, it will ask for your current password. Control C, I will type. Okay. So if you want to change the password, you can change the password. Okay. I will type password. What is the status? Okay. Arvind. You cannot view or modify views. Okay, I will do with this sudo. Okay, so it will show all the status, how that status is all about. Okay. So 28 will skip it. Okay. So ID, what is your ID? Okay, ID. This refers to your group name, your username, your identification, group ID. So based on this group only, you will get permissions to access any server or resources. Okay, I will type ID Arvind. Okay, is 101, 1001. Okay. So similarly, whenever you create any user, it will keep on adding it one by one, one by one. Okay. ID, Ubaid, group and name. So I have been added only to Ubaid group. Okay. Default it will create one more group. Okay. So and it will create a group ID also. So you don't worry about all these user IDs and all. Okay. I will let you know in the class what is group IDs and all. Okay. Now you have yeah, Pranav, you are following up the commands. Uname. This one we have done uname. Okay. It is just showing me my kernel. Okay. Uname में complete details. Uname -r kernel. Uname -m. My hardware x86 64-bit. Just now we discussed, right, what that is 64-bit or 32-bit. Uname -n. What is my host name? It is Fedora. Okay. My date and time of the compiled version, when I have installed, when I have done the upgrade. Okay. Now you have host name. If you have not kept host name, you can add the host name here. Okay. host name. Okay, host name I. So this is the IP address details of my host name. You have IPv6 and then you have my bridged adapter and NAT adapter. Show fully qualified name. I have not put fully qualified name. Now I want to change my host name. Host name, sudo host name to Fedora 43 generic. I have changed my host name. I will type just host name. It will show me. Okay. See, it got changed. So if you want to change the host name, you can put sudo host name and then new name. Then it will get changed. Okay. Now you want to display the DNS name. Okay. There is no domain here. Okay. This is just general. Now you want to see the uptime. Okay. So for uptime, I have kept 6 commands.